Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Opinions Matter, and today we got a very interesting piece of equipment out here. It's by a company called Samson, Go Mic Mobile, the first professional grade lav microphones, not only for your DSLRs but also for your phones, your iPads and everything. Now, why did I present this in the channel? Why? Because a lot of people, those who want to record their screen recordings while they're flying their drones, while they're flying their, like other stuffs, they can actually hook up this system at the back of their phone, and they can actually, use a clip-on microphone so that whatever they're talking about, their experience, flight experience, they can actually record that. Not only that, if you're doing indie films, if you're doing small projects, not a high budget one, small projects, this is going to be very interesting. To demonstrate that, I will show you how it works, how it pairs up. But if you want to see the unboxing, just head over to this link out here. This is my very good friend, his name is Tech5. He did an unboxing a few moments back. If you want to see what's inside the box and how to connect it and all that stuff, he has done the unboxing, so go ahead and check out the unboxing. This video is going to be all about how to pair it up and what is the difference in the audio quality with and without this Samson Go Mic Mobile. Now let's go ahead and jump in really quick. So at first you will see that the Go Mic Mobile fits at the back of your iPhone. Now you'll be asking, I said that what is that called? Your iPhone gets connected to the wireless MAV system with the headphone jack, with the lightning jack out here. But if you want to connect to your drone, you can actually get two lightning jack splitter, which is also available in Best Buy, or you can buy it from Amazon, you can buy it from GearBest or Banggood.com. To begin with, at first you connect the USB optical cable, which is out here, and you connect it to your phone. And after that, so you will see a tiny power button out here. So press on that power button, and after that you will see two channels, channel 1 and channel 2. Now what this channel 1 and channel 2 means, that you can actually attach two of this wireless mic lav microphones. So not only one, if you buy an extra pair, this is your hub that you can attach with. After that, we are going to see the volume control. So the volume controls are out here. You can go for you can increase and decrease the volume control out here, and you can actually do a mix. A mix actually allows you to mix your first and the second channel audio. But if you're doing an interview setup, you should always keep it at 2 channel so that you can edit the audio later on. Now, pairing process, pretty simple. You take on the wireless lav microphone and you will see a small power button out here. So click on that, click on the power button, and a small red light glows up, and after that just leave it and it automatically pairs. Now we'll toggle to our iPhone and we'll see the quality with and without the wireless mic. So the first video will be with the microphone, the second one will be without the microphone. Guys, so this is the one with the Samson Go Mic Mobile. My volume is full, so pretty tiny piece. Actually, it's a clip-on lav. My wireless one, the usually wireless ones are really expensive. They're around about 200 bucks. This is 149 right now with discounts and everything. Probably by Black Friday this should be like around about 110. That's the test of it. I mean, like, it's a very test 1 2 3, test 1 2 3. It's a very good microphone, and the volume is all the way up, and you will see now the difference between the quality of this microphone and a standard microphone that's built on your phone and your cameras. So same place, we are now disconnected the microphone, and there is no microphone right now. You'll see there's a lot of cars going on, so it's going to pick up a little bit of noise from the sides, and that's the difference of having a Go Mic Mobile and not having a Go Mic Mobile. Now let's jump in. Okay, so this will be testing, and I'm going to walk and see how far we can go with this microphone. Okay, so this is around about 14 feet away from the location, and we are going to move to 25 feet. This is 30 feet. And in 30 feet we do not know whether we are getting any connection or not, and in 105 feet we do not know whether we are receiving any connection or not. Alright guys, so you guys just now saw the Samsung microphone, the wireless setup. You can buy one of these if you're doing like interviews and stuff like that. Personal and honest opinion, I really love this system, to be very frank. Why? Because this is the first time I'm seeing anybody making a wireless lav microphone for iPhones and Samsungs that you're having. Very portable. That's how portable is this. Highly recommended for people, those who are doing a lot of videos, creating videos, video creators. So if you like this honest opinion, and if you think that this was a product that was honestly presented in the channel, give me a big thumbs up, like, and do subscribe to this channel. Thank you.